Hello traders, today we'll be showing how to combine multiple correlated pairs to get much more confirmations on determining the next move of all those correlated pairs with proper accuracy. You'll really be surprised to see how commonly these pairs move and how easy it is to trade them more securely with way less risk and high rewards. Now to do all that, we're going to focus on three major correlated pairs that are Euro dollar, gold and Aussie dollar. Now all these three pairs are mostly dominated by the same currency, that is US dollar. So we're going to have a quick look on the US dollar chart to see in which direction US dollar chart is heading. Now before we do that, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us in our Instagram page from the link in the description. Let's head back to our video. And we can see that US dollar chart is currently retesting a major key level that has been retested multiple times over the course of previous years. Here in 17, 16, 15, so that's a pretty strong key level, and we're expecting a reversal from this major key level that US dollar is currently retesting. Now we're going to go to a shorter time frame, open our RSI indicator. Now with the RSI indicator, we can see that US dollar chart is currently forming a divergence pattern. From here, US dollar has made a lower lows at this point when its RSI indicator has made higher lows in this point. So that's a clear divergence, and such kind of divergence pattern is a signal for the US dollar to go long from this point of divergence right here. So from that quick analysis on the US dollar chart, we are expecting US dollar to go long. Now if that happens, then Euro US dollar is supposed to go short, and gold and other Aussie US dollar to go short as well. So we're in the Euro US dollar chart, and let's go to a higher weekly time frame and see where this price is heading. Now in this Euro US dollar chart, when we zoom out on a weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving in a downtrend over the course of previous years like this way. Now just notice what's happening around here. Price is almost at the brink of retesting this trend line on a weekly time frame, and price also formed beautiful candlestick patterns such as a doji pattern or and on the Euro US dollar chart in a higher on the Euro US dollar chart in a higher weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving in a downtrend over the course of previous years, and on the weekly time frame on the Euro US dollar chart in a weekly time frame, we've been seeing, and in the Euro US dollar chart on a weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving in a downtrend over the course of previous years, and right now price is almost retesting this trend line, and right now price is retesting this trend line on the and right now price is retesting this trend line right here at this level, and price, we can see that formed beautiful candlestick patterns that is showing price rejections at this point right around here with these doji patterns, or showing with these doji patterns and other beautiful candlestick patterns right here showing price rejections with longer wicks right at this level of retesting the trend line. So in the Euro US dollar weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving in a downtrend in the Euro US dollar chart on a weekly time frame, we're seeing the price has been moving in a downtrend in the course of previous years, and so in the Euro US dollar chart on a weekly time frame, we're seeing that the price has been moving in a downtrend over the course of previous years, and right now Euro US dollar is retesting the trend line on a weekly time frame at this point right here. And if you zoom out, you can see that Euro USD has formed beautiful candlestick patterns right at this point of retest on the trend line, showing huge price rejections with longer wicks right at this point right here. So if you go on a shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, if you look closely, then we can see that Euro USD has formed a double tops pattern right at this very level that you just saw earlier in the weekly time frame. And also since it has been moving in an uptrend to retest the trend line, so we're expecting Euro USD to make some pullback to around this zone right here, and then continue its downward movement by breaking this trend line on a shorter time frame. So the best place for you to enter would be when price is retesting this zone right here, or when the price breaks and closes below this trend line right here, which is going to give you further confirmations on your trade, since the price has broken the uptrend line on the shorter time frame. So it's now probably heading for a downtrend line on a higher time frame. So if you enter here, then your stop loss probably should be above this zone right here, or if you enter here, then your stop loss should be above this zone, this key level right here. Now head back to our Aussie dollar chart. We're expecting to see such same kind of movements on this chart as well. And if you go on a weekly time frame, now in the Aussie dollar chart in a weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving in the downtrend for the previous couple of years and is now currently retesting this trend line right here, just like in the euro US dollar it was retesting, and it's also forming some sort of price ejection candlestick pattern right here, as you can see, with such long wicks right at these retest points on this trend line. Now we're going to go to a shorter 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame we can see price is forming a double tops pattern right at this level around here, which is a clear sign of price reversal right here. So what we're expecting for the Aussie dollar is to break this trend line or make some retest to this zone right here and continue its downward move to a new downtrend line by breaking this trend line. So the best place to enter in this trade would be when price breaks and closes below this trend line or on the retest on this zone right here, and setting your stop loss above the previous high somewhere around here. It's gonna be a high risk to reward trade, since this trend line will be broken and price would be forming a new downtrend line to most probably retest this point right here. Now we're gonna go to the gold chart and let's see how it is doing. Now on the gold chart we can see price has been moving rapidly with huge bullish momentum right from this point to here. But since we saw the dollar chart is about to since we saw the US dollar is about to gain momentum, so we are expecting for gold price to now in the dollar chart in a 4-hour time frame, we can see that gold has been gaining momentum and gold has been going up. Now in the 4-hour time frame on the gold chart is seeing that gold has been gaining momentum and going up with huge now on the 4-hour time frame in the gold chart is seeing that gold has been gaining bullish now in a 4-hour time frame on the gold chart. Now we're going to go to the gold chart on a gold chart. Now in the gold chart in a 4-hour time frame we can see that gold has been going up by gaining huge momentum with a bullish move. Now in a 4-hour time frame in the gold chart we are seeing that gold is been going up with huge bullish momentum from this point of retest on this trend line in a 4-hour chart. Now if you go to a shorter time frame, like on the 1-hour time frame, then we can see gold right now has formed some sort of resistance right around here by forming this head and shoulder pattern and the neckline right somewhere around here. And with the US dollar to gain momentum and going up, and also euro US dollar and Aussie US dollar is showing the same signs of going down, and we are expecting gold to go down as well. So what we're expecting from gold is to go up a little more to retest this zone right around here and then head back down, moving in a downtrend. Now guys, all the pairs analysis that you just saw in this video, all of them are signaling to go down, but there are some exceptions when correlation might not work sometimes because of such news release. Now let's as an example, if there is a news on euro that euro got much more momentum than US dollar, then euro dollar won't be acting the same way like the other correlated pair as gold and Aussie dollars. Yeah, if US dollar gains more momentum, then gold and Aussie dollar should go down or pound dollar should go down. But if by some news euro gains much more momentum than that of the US dollar, then it's gonna euro dollar would be going up, even though gold or Aussie dollar going down. So keep your eyes open for the fundamental analysis or such news release also, and trade with respect to fundamental analysis and also the technical analysis. So guys, that's how you combine multiple correlated pairs and trade with much more confirmations. So if you find any value in this video, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below, and also follow us in our Instagram page, which really helps us in growing this channel and upload more content daily. So that's it for today's video. We wish you good luck in your trading, and we'll see you in the next video.